In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Tally Prime data, backup and restore. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting out, protecting your data is crucial. Let's dive in. First, open Tally Prime on your computer. It's likely already on your desktop or in your list of programs, and launching it is your first step towards securing your company's financial data. Once Tally Prime is open, you will need to initiate the data backup process. For this, on your keyboard, press Alt and Y simultaneously. This will direct you to the data menu. It's a nifty shortcut that Tally Prime provides to make the process more efficient, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus to find what you're looking for. Once you're in the data menu, look for the backup option. Selecting backup is your next step. This is where you'll determine the specifics of where and how your data will be backed up. A window will open, prompting you to choose the destination for your backup. You'll want to decide on a location that you can easily access later. This could be a USB drive, an external hard drive, or perhaps another folder on your computer, depending on what works best for you. It's important to choose a backup location that is secure and easily retrievable in the event you need to restore your data. Once you've selected your destination folder, it's time to address the source of your backup. Verify the location of your company data within Tally Prime. It's crucial that you are backing up the right files, especially those that hold significant financial information. Double-checking at this stage will avoid any frustration later on if you've accidentally backed up incorrect or incomplete data. Next, select the specific company or companies that you wish to back up. Tally Prime should present you with a list of companies. Ensure you've selected the correct ones to prevent leaving out any important data. This can be particularly critical if you manage multiple sets of accounts in your system. Now with everything set, you're ready to execute the backup. You'll do this by simply pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. This will kickstart the process of copying your chosen data to the selected destination. It's as simple as that. Once you've pressed Enter, all you need to do is wait for Tally Prime to complete the operation. Finally, keep an eye out for the confirmation message indicating that the backup is complete. This message is your assurance that the process has finished successfully. Once you've received confirmation, your data is safely backed up, ready for restoration whenever necessary. Remember, regularly backing up your data protects you from unexpected data loss and helps maintain the efficiency and accuracy of your operations. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to regularly